Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to install Flutter in your Windows PC. So now you head onto your browser and you type in Flutter download. You click on install Flutter. You select your OS. We are doing with Windows, so we'll select Windows. Now you choose the type of app you want to create. We'll choose Android. Now you verify your system requirements. You just read through all this and know if your system is capable of running Flutter. Here you see install the Flutter SDK. So you click on download and install and click on download zip. Download should start. Give it some time. Download should be done. Now the download is done. We minimize the browser and we extract the downloaded file. After extracting, we need to move the Flutter folder that we just downloaded inside our local Dixie drive. So you click on copy, go to your local Dixie and paste it here. After copying the folder, we open the Flutter folder, open the bin folder and you locate the path. You copy the path. Now in your Windows keys, type environment variables. You click on environment variables, double click on paths, click on new, then paste what you copied. Ctrl V, click on OK, click on OK, click on OK. Now if you open your command prompt, CMD, and you type in Flutter doctor, it will scan your PC and locate Flutter. After scanning for Flutter on your PC, you will still have to install some softwares like Visual Studio. This helps you to develop apps for your Windows PC. It's not really necessary, but I'll show you how to install it if you need it. So you copy the link, Ctrl C, go to your browser and you paste the link. You click on community free download and download should start. Once it's done, open the exe file, continue. In my case, I have it installed already, so I click on modify. Then you scroll down until you see desktop development with C++. Check the box and you click modify. But for you guys, you have to click install. You let it download it, but I don't need it, so I'll have to cancel the download because I don't use it for anything. Now you check back in your command prompt. You see they said you need Android Studio. Same way, you copy the link from there, Ctrl C, go to your browser, paste the link and click on download Android Studio. click on download. When it's done downloading, you open the file. Double click on Android Studio that I just downloaded. Click on Run. Click on Next, click on Next, click on Next, click on Install. It's a simple process. After installing Android Studio, you open it up. You click on Next, Standard, click on Next, Next, you accept, and click on Finish. It needs to download the necessary files. When done downloading, click on Finish. Now you go back to your command prompt and type in Flutter Doctor one more time. Now we need SDK Manager on the Android Studio. Click on More Actions, SDK Manager. You go to SDK Tools, Android SDK Command Line Tool. Click on that. Click on Apply. Click on OK, and let it download. When done, click on Finish. Click on Apply. Click on OK. Then go back to your command prompt and type in Flutter Doctor one more time to check if Android Studio has been installed successfully. See, Android Studio has been installed successfully, but we need the license. So you copy Flutter Doctor -Android license and you paste it in the command prompt and press enter. Press Y, press enter, press Y, press enter, press Y, press enter. Do that for all of it till it's all done. One more time, type in Flutter Doctor to check all what you have done. As you can see, Android Studio has been installed. You just need Visual Studio, which is not recommended. If you found this video useful, like, share, and subscribe.